everyone, it's Sarah from Nova Scotia. I'm going to do an open cut pour for you today. I'm on a 12 by 12 canvas and I have it sitting on a spinner because I'm probably going to spin it out. I'm going to use a tiny little cookie cutter for my cup, and I'm just going to put that in the middle and then put my paint into that. I have all leftover paint here, just anything I had laying around, and I just put a couple drops of silicone into each one except for the black and white. It's really hard pouring into this little tiny thing here, but here it is dry. It turned out beautiful. It's gorgeous.